Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, the 2nd of May 2025. So US stocks gained as Microsoft and Meta earnings provided encouragement. And from tech pumps to gold dumps, it's a forced re-risk party. And economic news for today, we've got the core CPI flash, average hourly earnings, and then of course the big one for the week, the non-farm payroll numbers. So let's have a look at yesterday. The DAX was obviously closed and the spreads are widened, but nonetheless, let's have a look at what that's doing overnight along with all of the other markets and kick off with the Dow. So in the Dow, moving higher once more through the 50 EMA, which we needed to get through yesterday, but it hasn't done it. It's done it overnight. 200 MA is the next upside target and the resistance lines here. 30-minute chart market is moving higher once more as well. You can see that overnight, taking out yesterday's high. Struggling there a bit at the moment though. And in the German DAX, yesterday the market was closed. This is the overnight prices gathered together from IG. The market moving higher as well, heading back up to the all-time high, which we've been looking at for some time. And also, if we draw in the fibs on this, you'll see that we're getting close to the 89% retracement as well. So moving up, as I said before, very much likely to head to the all-time high for this market. In the 30-minute chart, you can see that prices are up to yesterday's electronic session, just below there. So that was the high yesterday in the electronic one. And then up, market struggling there at the moment with the high, but trying to find some support at the R2 level. And in the S&P 500, this too also heading back towards the 200 MA. 30-minute chart shows the market moving up sharply overnight as well, coming off the close in the low area, as we can see there. And in the FT 100, again, Rachel from accounts will be happy. The market's moving up as well, heading towards the 89% retracement. Shouldn't be much of a problem today with the NFP numbers. And there you can see the market moving higher there overnight as well. Let's have a look at the US dollar. And the US dollar up again yesterday. Expect more on the upside from this as well, as we get a bit of a dead cat bounce appearing in this at the moment. Certainly up until we get to Wednesday of this next week, when we have the US FOMC meeting and to see whether the rates are going to be dropped or not. Meanwhile, in the metals, as you can see here, silver yesterday was down, but they brought the market back off the 200 MA, which is encouraging. So could we see prices moving back up to keep this sort of sideways consolidation apart from the dip down there and then move higher? But it's an interesting one for yesterday. There we got the market showing some buying coming in. Let's have a look at the 30-minute chart. So yesterday's again the usual smackdown market, then moving back up, and we're at the high of yesterday at the moment, which is good, but coming off there slightly. It is Friday. It's renowned for being smacked down, so keep that in mind as well. In the gold market, this is consolidating now as well. It's always good to see this sort of bar where it comes off the low in a fib area, in a support area, and then the following bar starting to move higher as well. So the correction could be over in gold. And then overnight, well, actually it's still with yesterday, because you can see this cluster of volume as well, and an 89% retracement. The market's coming off there to create that daily price action. Market above the DP and above the close. Like I say, for me, this looks like we could be over as far as the gold correction is concerned there. Right, let's have a quick look at the gold-silver ratio. And in the gold-silver ratio, we can see there that we saw the market move lower yesterday as gold also moved lower, but silver didn't fall off as fast. You can see how it bounced compared to gold. So that's, again, another good indication that the gold-silver ratio is still managing to pull back. However, this gap still concerns me. Whether that's going to be filled or not, I don't know. But there is a gap that needs to be filled one way or the other. Right, let's have a look and see what's happening overnight. And overnight prices are sideways at the moment, not in too much of a range. We've got no recording for yesterday because the spread was widened to 8 points. on the DAX, which is not uncommon when it's closed with the platform that I trade with, Trade Nation. So there we can see prices sideways to higher, obviously waiting for news, and then of course we've got the major news at 1:30 with the actual non-farm payrolls, isn't it, today, FOMC on Wednesday of next week. Okay, that's it for this one and for the week, so have a great weekend. It's bank holiday weekend. I will resume on Tuesday morning, so enjoy the weekend. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.